Okay guys, I'm going to show you how to change the battery on a key fob for a 2023 Audi Q7. This is going to be for any of the Audis that are or that have a key that looks like this. First thing that you're going to do is you're going to press this button here, pull out the emergency key, and then what you'll notice after we actually get this done, it'll be more obvious, but if I shine this light here, you'll see a tab back there, that white or that where the light is reflecting. We're going to kind of press against that, which is, again, it's a tab that holds this portion of the key closed and the battery is under this. So we're going to put a screwdriver, and I'll grab it here real quick. We're going to put the screwdriver in here diagonally, right? We're going to look for that tab or kind of feel it, and you'll feel your press there. Okay, and then this is going to rise up, and then we'll be able to open it. Okay. Kind of push it open, push and push up at the same time. So this will kind of open it right there. So you see here, this is the tab I was talking about. And if you notice, the tab is, when you push everything back in, it's in here, right? So if you look from, again, here, it's hard to see, but you can see that it's diagonal from this perspective. Right, you see how my screwdriver makes it in there? So that's what you're trying to push, okay? Now the battery is a 2032, CR2032, which is this one. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and push back here and push out the battery. Lift it up, right? It's being pressed here, so you just push it back a little and pop it out, and we'll put the new battery in. All right, let's put that new battery in. And I go ahead and just push against these two tabs here, and it'll just slide in, push it in, good to go. Okay, and then we'll put the cap back on. So these two tabs go down here, just push it in, and it'll close. Okay, and then we'll put this key back in. That's it.